In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to download and install Inkscape on your laptop, ensuring you get the most stable version safely and effectively. Whether you are a graphic design beginner or looking to pick up a powerful vector tool, Inkscape is a fantastic choice, and this tutorial will get you up and running in minutes. Remember, if this video helps you master your software workflow, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more technical walkthroughs that save you time. Let's dive straight in. Before we begin, ensure that your laptop has sufficient administrative privileges, as you will need these to install new software on your system. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to inkscape.org. A critical warning here: always ensure you are using the official website to download Inkscape. There are many unofficial mirrors online that can bundle malware with software, so stick to the official URL to keep your machine safe. Once the homepage is loaded, hover your mouse over the download menu at the top of the screen and click on Current Version. The website will automatically detect your operating system and start identifying the best installer packet for your specific machine. You will likely see a message indicating you have been redirected automatically to the best download. If you are on Windows, I highly recommend choosing the MSI installer. It is specifically designed to handle the installation process smoothly and is the easiest option for most users. Once your download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder, locate the installer, and double-click the file to begin. Follow the prompts on your screen as they appear. You will need to accept the license agreement, select your preferred installation directory, and then click Finish to allow the installer to run. Once the progress bar reaches the end, your program is installed. You can find the Inkscape icon either on your desktop or by searching for it within your Start or Applications menu. Now, a couple of important tips for a smooth experience. First, regarding system requirements. While Inkscape is lightweight, it performs best on computers equipped with at least 4 to 8 gigabytes of RAM. While it can run on basic integrated graphics, having a dedicated graphics card will certainly make your design experience smoother when working with complex vector paths. Finally, always check the current version page on the official site to ensure you have the latest stable release. For example, version 1.4.3 is currently the gold standard. By keeping your software updated, you ensure that you have the latest features and security patches. That is all it takes to get started with professional-grade vector design. If this guide helped you set up your workspace today, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy designing!